Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of the Ubiquicode Avatax add-on for CS Cart, helping give you greater flexibility over your tax calculations. We'll start with a fresh installation of CS Cart along with the sample data for demo purposes. From the add-ons page, I will select a manual installation and browse to my zip file that is on my local machine. After clicking Upload and Install, and waiting a few seconds for the file to upload and install, we'll be presented with a notice that the add-on has been installed successfully, and we should see it in the list below. We can click on this add-on to allow enabling the settings. From the Settings tab, we can see that we need the account ID and license key, which we can find in the Avatax portal. I will paste in my account ID and my license key and click the Save button in the top right hand corner in order to save these to the database. We can see that our data has now been saved, and we can select whether we want to use the sandbox or production endpoints depending on whether we are ready to go live or not. My data is for the sandbox environment, so I will leave the sandbox one selected and click Test Connection in order to verify that these credentials are correct. We can see that the connection has been successful, validating that our account ID and license key are valid, and I can click OK to close this dialog. We can now select our company name from the drop down below, and we can see that our company code has been set as default. We can now click Save to finalize our configuration of the Avatax add-on. From here, we can navigate to the various other parts of the portal and set up the rest of the configuration. I'll start by going to the Products section, where we can browse for a specific product, go to the Add-ons tab, and we can see that there is now an Avatax section where we can enter a tax code or UPC code, which we can find in the Avatax website. Here we can see an example at taxcode.avatax.avalara.com, where I've searched for pants, and I can copy the tax code here and paste it back into the field of our product and click Save. We can also do this from a category level if we don't want to do this for every single product. For example, I could go to Electronics, Add-ons tab, and we can see that there is also a field under the category where we can enter a tax code for the entire category if we don't want to do this for every single product. One of the other sections we can populate is under Customers. By clicking into an individual customer, we can go to Add-ons once again, and we can set the tax exempt number or the tax entity code for a particular customer. The use of these fields is out of the scope for this demo video, but you can contact your Avatax representative for more information or visit the link below. Finally, under Shipping, we can set the code for a particular shipping method that we have configured by going to our shipping method, scrolling to the bottom, and seeing that there is a new field for tax code. Shipping is taxed, and you can find tax codes, relevant tax codes, in your Avatax portal. Once an order is complete, we can browse to it and go to the Add-ons tab and see the Avatax tax details populated here. This again is sample data from the fresh installation, so we don't have any data populated here. But once your tax add-on is populated, you will see these populated for all your orders. Finally, if you have the RMA add-on enabled, you can go to your RMA statuses and set the status for each of your RMA statuses. We can see here that when an RMA is approved, the Avatax is changed to uncommitted. This concludes the demonstration of the Avatax add-on. If you do have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.